A total of 17,747 Indonesian pilgrims arrive in Medina to perform the 2026 Hajj pilgrimage. Meanwhile, the Hajj and Hajj Ministry is preparing a satellite clinic to provide quick health services for Hajj pilgrims.
Spokesperson for the Hajj and Umrah Ministry, Maria Assegaf, revealed that 45 groups comprising 17,747 Hajj pilgrims have arrived in Medina and are staying at the hotels that the government has provided. The entire arrival process is claimed to have proceeded smoothly, with Hajj officials accompanying them from the airport to the hotel. To enhance comfort and service efficiency, Maria said that her party brought back the Fast Track or Mecca Road program at a number of departure airports in Indonesia. Maria answered that accommodation facilities at embarkation have been well prepared so that pilgrims get a decent place to rest. Still from Medina, head of Hajj Organizing Committee in the Mecca working area in Saudi Arabia, Ihsan Faisal said that the Hajj and Umrah Ministry has prepared satellite clinics in every sector across Mecca to provide quick services for Hajj pilgrims experiencing health problems. Ihsan explained that these satellite clinics function as first aid location for sick pilgrims, so they do not need to get further referral. Ihsan added that the number of medical personnel in the satellite clinics exceeded the health officers already assigned in each group. Now, Indonesian Hajj Health Clinic is supported by 200 health workers divided for the areas of Mecca and Medina.